Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, unfortunately, I'm not here today. I had a family matter that I had to attend to, but I will be back on Friday. The marking period is rapidly coming to an end. Okay, the marking period ends next week. So there's a lot of work that you guys still owe. I know things were difficult when you guys were at home. We were all at home trying to do work just over the computer, but it's assignments that needed to get done. And so take this opportunity to really work on making up the things that you missed, things that you didn't quite get to, things that you didn't put forth as much effort as maybe you should have. Okay, take this opportunity to do that and to get those things done. All of those things that are in the Earth Systems folder are really the things that you should be working on. Start at the very top of that folder and start working your way down. There is still that article and the document that goes with it that nobody has finished. Start with that. Then once you have that as your foundation, then work on the other things that come below that in the folder. Okay. Next week is our midterm. Midterm will be next Tuesday. So we will do work on Friday to review for that. I will also put up a list of topics that will be covered on the midterm. We will do some review on Friday when I see you guys, but really start going back through some of those older folders to figure out what you need to work on and what could show up on the exam. Okay, if you've got questions, feel free to reach out and send me a text. If you've got anything you need help on, questions you've got, things you don't understand. Otherwise, keep working, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.